Okay, hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to play Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3 on Puppy Linux. So let me just switch it on. And as you can see, I'm Puppy Linux. So first I want to download the Windows emulator. As you can see, then you click on it. Since my laptop does not have a hard drive, I am booting it off a disk, so this might take a while. As you can hear, the disk is being read by the machine. So the installation of Wine isn't that slow. Okay, now go to download this app, gens.exe. You can find it on Google. Just Google it. Then you just simply click on it, and then you'll see a new window popping up, and then you'll just simply click on full screen, and as you can see, you just click on file, then open ROM, and then you select the ROM which you want to open, and then you wait, and then voila. So let me just try to switch on some music. Okay. Michael used to be this kind of a system, so okay. So and okay, let me just random select a character. As you can see, it's playing quite well, performing glitches at all. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to open MIM32 on Puppy Linux. Please subscribe.